Hello, I'm Ron Eaton, owner of Timbercrest Home Improvements. When hail hits your home, it's going to cause serious damage. Hail is known for damaging siding, roofing, gutters, window screens, paint, and more. Our job is to determine the damages, coordinate with the insurance, and handle your claim as quickly as possible to get you back in your home. If you live in Michigan and have experienced hail damage, we can help you. Visit us at timbercrestmi.com and contact us from our online form. Remember, you have a limited amount of time to file a claim, so contact us now for a free hail evaluation.